Hello, everyone. Welcome to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to manage leave in the system. Let's get started. After logging into the application, navigate to the side menu and select Settings. First, go to the Leave Category tab. Click on the Add Leave Category button. Enter the leave name, set the annual limit, and add a description if required. Next, select whether the leave category is active or not, and choose the appropriate action such as carry forward, lapsed, or encased. Once all the details are entered, click on the Add Leave Category button. Next, move to the Assign Leave tab. Click on the Assign Leave button. Select the department and subdepartment, where all the leave categories you created will be visible for assignment. Finally, click on the Assign Leave button to assign the leaves. You can view the assigned leaves by navigating to Employee Leave from the side menu in the Leave Dashboard tab. Thank you for watching this demo.